That is a welcome development because people are becoming more health conscious. Of course, the more participants you have, you expect perhaps an overuse injury or there will be a rise in statistics of injury. Sabi natin, ang ayaw mo, magkaroon ng injury, upo ka na lang. And I was listening earlier to the speakers. One of the concerns for children right now, pupils, they become sedentary. They would rather prepare before BSP, NBA, BSP, or the Wii, but it's not a substitute for physical activity. There's a study now that there's an increasing obesity concern. If children are obese, when they become adults, they will have heart condition, perhaps diabetes. And physical educators has an important, significant role in this aspect. Kaya nga po, when I see children playing tumbang preso, patintero, taguan, sa nakakaano, nice to reminisce. Pero ngayon kasi, ESP. The computer. Aside from that, mahal. Tapos, they will eat their dinner near the computer to order ng fast food. The more participants you have, the more we expect them having not really catastrophic or severe injury, but a mild or moderate type of too much too soon. Para sa mga bata, we have to take into consideration their physiologic needs and demands. I was able to see yung Ironman sa mga bata. Yung pala yung Ironman, several meters lang po. Kasi yung concept ng Ironman, ito yung mga 10 kilometer run, 1,000 meters or 1.5 meters. There's some mga bata here starting them, of course, with that shorter distance. Why people suffer, or why athletes or people suffer sports injuries? The nature of the sports. If you're engaged in the full contact sports, don't expect na hindi ka magkakaroon ng injury. Contact sports, traditional sports, boxing is becoming popular, of course, with our national pride, Manny Pacquiao. And there's a move regarding raising funds for Pinoy Suntok po ba yung Manila? I always see it here headed by MVP, by Manny Pacquiao. Wrestling, by URC, has gaining popularity also. Football and martial arts. Ice hockey, perhaps not yet. Judo, popular sport also, Olympic level. Football. When you say collision or contact sports, the rules of the game allows it. Because you earn points in beating your opponent. But here, collision sports, because of the number of participants, I think in basketball, 5, no? But in football, 11. Limited contact or impact, basketball, baseball, basketball po yan, so popular, kahit sa pantong, lalagay sila, no? Volleyball, limited contact because there's a barrier, the net. But it's a high impact sports because they jump. Bicycling, impact, they hit the ground,